Fulbright Scholars Program. The Fulbright Scholarship is one of the most prestigious international exchange programs in the world, designed to promote mutual understanding between the United States and other nations through educational and cultural exchange. Funded by the U.S. government, the Fulbright Program provides students, scholars, and professionals with the opportunity to study, research, or teach abroad in over 140 countries. Since its establishment in 1946, it has supported hundreds of thousands of participants, empowering them to develop global perspectives, contribute to their fields, and strengthen international collaboration. Who offers it? The Fulbright Scholarship is managed by the Institute of International Education and supported by the U.S. Department of State, operating through a network of more than 140 partner countries worldwide. The initiative was established to promote mutual understanding and academic and cultural exchange between countries. It offers opportunities for study, research, or teaching abroad, depending on the country and program. Who is eligible? Eligibility depends on which version of the Fulbright you are applying for: student, scholar, teaching assistant, etc. For example, for the U.S. student program, applicants must be U.S. citizens at the time of application, hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent before the grant start date, and meet any host country language requirements. For the U.S. Scholar Program, applicants must similarly be U.S. citizens, must not have lived abroad for 5 or more years in the last 6, and must meet the specific degree and experience requirements outlined for their award. For non-U.S. citizen versions, e.g., the Fulbright Foreign Student Program in other countries, the citizenship, residency, and degree rules are set by the binational commission in each country. When you apply for a Fulbright award, you'll generally need to submit a project statement or statement of purpose, a personal statement, current transcripts, a curriculum vitae or resume, and letters of recommendation. If applying to teach English abroad, you may need to specify your teaching experience. If doing research, you may need to provide a project proposal and possibly a host institution invitation letter. Some key points. You cannot apply to more than one U.S. student grant in the same cycle, and in many cases, prior participation in a Fulbright grant may make you less competitive. Each country's version of the Fulbright sets its own additional criteria, so it is critical to review the award description for the host country you're interested in. What is the deadline? Application. Deadline. Check the Fulbright website. Deadlines vary by program and country. For the U.S. student program, because the Fulbright system involves multiple countries and versions, if you are applying from another country or to a non-U.S. citizen program, you should check the specific deadline for your country's commission. Check the website.